right, River Cats. This is my first attempt to describe an equation using my video camera, so bear with me. So you know how to find the area of a parallelogram. Its area equals base times height. What if you're given the area, but you don't know the base? You're given the area and the height, but you don't know the base. Well, let's do the same thing we normally do when we find the area of a parallelogram. Let's replace our variables with our knowns. So we do know that the area is 77.28. We don't know the base, so we'll call that B. And we do know the height is 8.4. As we learned in one-step equations, in order to solve for B, you've got to get B by itself on one side of the equal sign. In order to do that, we have to do inverse operations. So we have to take this 8.4, and whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Is division. So we divide this side by 8.4 and this side by 8.4 and rewrite the equation. So now we know 77.28 divided by 8.4 equals B. We know that because 8 4/10 goes into 8 4/10 one time. So now we know anything times 1 is its own value. So B equals 77.28 divided by 8.4. So now let's do the math. So 77.28 divided by 8.4. Wait a second, there's decimals in here, those pesky decimals. We've got to move the decimal place in the divisor, move it once in the dividend, and bring it up to the bar. So now we're left with 84 into 772 and 8/10. So can 84 go into 7? Nope. Can 84 go into 77? Nope. But 84 can go into 772. About how many times? If we think 10 times, then we know that would be 840. So it's got to be less than 840. What if we tried 9 times? 84 times 9, 9 times 4 is 36. Carry 3, 9 times 8 is 72, plus 3 is 756. All right, that works. So 9 times 84 is 756. And we have to subtract. So we can't take 6 from 2, so we have to borrow from the 7. That gives us a 6. Carry a 10 over. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And then we got to bring it down now. And then how many times can 84 go into 168? One thing I like to look at is this n number here. And 4 can go into 8 2 times. That's a pretty easy calculation for you. What if we did 2 times 84? 84 plus 84 is 168. So let's try 2. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 8 is 16. Look at that. We have nothing left over. So our base is 9 2/10. 9 2/10 meters is our base.